Hello everyone, welcome to my 69 GTO Judge that I'm in the process of slowly restoring. I've had the car 9 years and finally got the back window out of it. You can see I recently removed the headliner and took the back window out, and so I'm hoping to get the rear window channel repaired so it can be watertight. Right now it is currently not watertight, obviously. So I was hoping to get some advice maybe on how you would fix this rear window channel. So I'll show you some of the problems here. You can see there's actually a rust through on the window channel. All the rivets are in good shape, but the metal around the rivets tends to have some surface rust. So that obviously, that hole, that's what was leaking water into the trunk. There is some surface rust on the trunk floor as a result of that, unfortunately. And you can see this trim piece has some surface rust. So I assume you can maybe just sand that down and skim coat it or something so that it's nice and smooth, and then paint that with the GM trim black color. But it's really about how do you fix all this surface rust here. It's usually around the rivets. There's one. It's not too good. Like, can you just grind that down, sand it, put some kind of a rust inhibitor on it, and you're good to go? Or is that like going to come back, so you really need to cut out the whole channel and weld in new metal? Same thing. Let's see if we just move along. That one's actually really minor. It's probably fine. This one also seems not too bad. The next one down, sorry, I gotta jiggle the camera a little bit. I can't really reach that well. Let's see here. Yeah, that one's progressively worse, I think. It's not too bad, I guess, but not great. Maybe what I'll do is walk around the car real quick. Sorry for the jiggling, any jiggling that might go on. I'll give you a quick view of the car. Sorry, my garage is like super tight. There's like, I'm always fighting for space in this thing. Anyway, trip and break my neck, etc. Hey, so okay, now I'm over to the other side. So let's see here. Put a little light on the subject. There's more surface rust on that trim piece, and then these rivets have the most rust. Where'd that other one go there? There it is. And then that one over there. So anyway, appreciate your insights. You guys are experts. I'm definitely not. The rest of the window channel is perfect pretty much. It's like a brand new car. You can see here, like, once you get up off the bottom, this part of the window channel is like pristine, no problems at all. So anyway, thanks for your thoughts, guys. Sorry for the long video. It's like 3 minutes.